Okay, now we're just entering Golfito. We're going downhill. You can see the water over here in front of us as we come in. And we visited here several times over the years. It's one of the really beautiful places that we like to come.
This bay is so smooth and calm.
And so here we are. You can see it's not a lot of people live here. Unfortunately, it's a rainy, cloudy day.
Rainy season. It's the rainy season.
We're going to pull in a marina. There's a marina down here we like to go to.
Turn the windshield wipers on for a second. Don't a lot of Americans settle in this area?
Well, there's different nationalities, but there are Americans that like to live here. Free zone. Let's see what we've got here.
This is Banana Bay. Restaurant and hotel.
Back to Banana Bay.
That isn't where we went before, is it?
No, they're supposed to be building a marina, a bigger marina. Drive a little further, and we went to Banana Bay.
Oh, is that where we went? It used to be white.
That's one of the places that we liked. And we may have to go back to Banana Bay depending on what they built here.
So many buildings down that you can't see the water.
Different here.
Gas station.
Big duty-free area where people can come to buy appliances, Panasonic, Samsung, all those sort of things.
We used to have our what is it, a permit to get in there? We both had one.
You have to get a permit. Yeah, you get a permit. You buy here. Side may be good size freighter ships coming here.
There's a good size one sitting right up there.
Sign here, Golfito here.
This is pretty right here. Lights. There might be a restaurant or something. Who
Here, over here, maybe. It's different than we saw last time we were here.
It's totally different. It's been, what, 4 years?
Yes. 1920.
Yep. Well, before 1919. was last time.
1919. Oh, yeah, 1919.
Before the pandemic thing happened.
Kind of like.
This is all different, isn't it?
No, this has been here. We
Yeah,
just have
I
to turn-
thought-
to get to where that pier was, we missed the turn.
Oh, okay.
Turn and come back. I believe.
A better shot here, maybe.
Make a U-turn.
Make a U-turn.
Telling us what to do. That's our ways, which is wonderful to have.
Anyone visiting Costa Rica, tourists,
Make a
when
U-turn.
you're driving a car,
Turn
you
left.
need to have
And
ways.
then keep right. Keep right. And then turn left. Turn left. And then turn left.
I think it's confused.
I think it's confused too. We're gonna try it here, I think. See where this road leads.
Turn left.
If it's not, we're
And
going
then
back where we
turn
did
left.
before. This looks like something down here we haven't seen before.
Yeah. See? We'll see if we can see something we haven't seen. Go slow so I get picture. There's a
In
lot of
200
boats.
meters,
Upside
turn
down
left.
boats. My goodness, look at that.
Yeah.
That must be a place to store boats that they've confiscated. Look at this. You know what this is? It's Coast Guard, Glenn.
Uh-oh. Well, this is the Coast Guard. How about
Yeah.
that? Well, we just visited the Coast Guard.
They're the ones that
Here's their
check out
pier.
for all the bad stuff that comes.
Those might be, possibly those are confiscated drug boats.
Yep. They confiscate them. They take them away.
And they stack them up here. I guess they have an auction sometime to sell them off.
They probably put the motors somewhere
Whatever.
else. They,
You know, that's an old boat.
yeah, that's
It's
an old
it's
Coast
worn
Guard
out.
boat. Yeah.
it's
That's funny.
like a boat graveyard.
Graveyard for boats. There we go. Well, we picked a good road. We have a tendency
Well,
to do
yeah.
that. Oh. Isn't that pretty? Look at the colors of those.
In 200 meters, turn left. In
Colorful.
200 meters,
Bright
turn
colors.
left.
People like bright colors here.
Mhm.
bright colors reflect more positive, happy people
Oh, yeah.
downtown.
One thing I like about Costa Rica, you can paint your house whatever color you want. You don't
Right.
have a homeowners association
That's
telling you
right.
what to do, how to live, how to mow your yard or anything. People here have an opportunity to use their home, and it's okay, you know. It's kind of neat. Sometimes it looks like a patchwork quilt.
Sodas.
I'm sure they have those in the private communities, but like in San Jose.
This is going to be a good view of the, coming back this way,
Yeah.
the bay.
There we go. Got a good shot of it.
Yeah, nice.
This is Golfito Bay. And it's so calm and smooth. It's not, it's because it's protected by the landmass over there. All these people, this is kind of a park area right here. So it's congested, Glenn, go slow.
Yeah, this is the photo opportunity
Yeah,
here.
yeah. People come and take their picture. Golfito. There we got it.
Always wanted to come down here and take a fishing boat out. Fishing.
I wouldn't mind going on a bay. As long as you can get out in the ocean. I get seasick very easily. Glenn even has a picture of me when I was seasick, huh, Glenn? Seasick Betty. Get some good video here. Rain. Here's some nice shot. Here's a gentleman that is.
The old man of the sea.
Mm-hmm. Kind of what he looked like, didn't he? Do you think our restaurant will be open?
Yes, I think it will be.
Okay, hope so. Oops. People just do their own thing. Don't pass it up.
Okay, let's see.
I think it's right up here, the yellow. Not sure. Is there a parking place?
Right here.
You got room?
Yep.
Isn't that amazing? There's always one left for us.
Banana Bay.
Okay. Oh, yeah, look at that. Got some stairs to walk up there. I forgot how. We go down there?
We go this way over here.
Oh, okay.
See the sign right there?
Yeah.
That's the entrance sign. Right here we go.
Well, they painted it, I think, last time.
Ah.
Yeah. Everybody was
small hotel pier out here. We'll walk out here a minute and then come back and eat. Okay, we're now live out of Costa Rica, and we are at Golfito, and we stopped here because we went to the border and we've been showing live of what's happening to migration at the border that's going to be affecting the United States. And Betty's helping me direct the shot. And this is how the Golfito looks. Now, the border didn't look that nice and pretty. In fact, it's a little on the ugly side and crowded today, so you get to see how that was. And I hate to say this, but that's what Biden wants to create America to look like. So you get kind of a preview right there. So here's what Golfito is. Golfito. This is it. You see? This is it. Okay, we're at this restaurant here. And anyone that likes to fish, you can come here. You can take a fishing boat out in the bay. And when you bring your fish back here, they'll cook it for you, and you get a special price, about $10 to do your fish. So you can see there's some big boats out there. There's looks like maybe a Coast Guard boat over there. Let's see that. And it's too bad that it's rainy today, because usually at sunset it's very beautiful, and we'll include a picture of Golfito on Betty's page when we were here over
About 4 years ago.
About 4 years ago, okay? Anyway, so we're signing out from Costa Rica. That's it for the day. Share this with those you love, those you know, and I guess we can say God needs to bless America.
That's right.
Right? Okay, bye. On the way back from Panama, this is what we're getting here.
We are at a checkpoint. I don't know how this is going to turn out. But anyway, I got my video on. And once we get close, I'll turn it off. Because I don't want them checking me.
Well, let me tell you when to turn it off. I'll tell you at the right time.
See, it's awful bright. Should it be like that?
Yeah, it's great.